Welcome to Max's Magic World! What's behind this door? Wow! There's a secret world down there! Everything is upside down! Why are you sad? Our magic star is lost! Without it, everything will disappear! Look! The stars left a path! The star is at the castle! I think we found where the magic... It's working! Bye-bye, friends! See you in the next adventure!